Engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. All three engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and liftoff. The final liftoff of Atlantis on the shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue the dream.
Roger, roll, Atlantis. Houston now controlling.
She's climbing beautifully here. Everything is on course. She's climbing beautifully. Here is Rob Navius in mission control.
24 seconds into the flight. Roll program complete. Atlantis now heads down, wings level on the proper alignment for its 8.5-minute ride to orbit. 4.5 million pounds of hardware and humans taking aim on the International Space Station. 40 seconds in.
This onboard camera.
Liquid fuel main engines throttling back to 72% of rated performance in the bucket, reducing stress on the shuttle as it goes transonic for the final time.
Everything
Engines
running perfectly.
Standing by for the throttle up call.
She's programmed over everything. She's headed up the eastern seaboard. Stand by, Daytona Beach. Here comes the farewell flight of Atlantis.
Atlantis, go and throttle up, no action, DPDT.
Go with throttle up, no action on DPDT.
That call from Capcom Barry Wilmer.
Our colleague Jim Oberg.
Instrumentation only, no action required.
Jim Oberg in mission control reporting she's now 46 miles off Daytona, 17 miles high.
16 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center, 1 minute 40 seconds into the flight. Atlantis flexing its muscles one final time. Atlantis traveling almost 2,600 miles an hour, 21 miles in altitude, 24 miles downrange. Standing by for solid rocket booster separation.
This picture is from a camera on board the external fuel tank. There goes the solids. They are now separating. There they are, following the way.
Confirms
you can see them.
Good solid rocket booster separation. Guidance now converging. The main engine steering the shuttle on a pinpoint path to its preliminary orbit. 2 minutes, 20 seconds into the flight. Atlantis already traveling 3,200 miles an hour, 35 miles in altitude, 50 miles downrange.
Just past Daytona Beach.
Orbital maneuvering system engines have ignited. Atlantis kicking on its afterburners for 1 minute 23 seconds for the final phase of powered flight.
Atlantis, two-engine towel.
That means they could get across the Atlantic with 2 engines instead of the 3 they have on board. Everything perfect now as Atlantis climbs into orbit for the final mission of the space shuttle. Everything right on target. You are looking at a picture of Atlantis from a camera underneath the belly of the spacecraft attached to the external fuel tank. It will take 8 minutes and 24 seconds for it to get into space. It's riding now. Everything is going perfectly. We seem to have lost the transmission from mission control by Rob Navius. Don't know what's happened here, but we will stay with it, keep you going up. And here we are here. If we pick up, here we go.